Hello everyone. In this session we will discuss the aggregation topic. The aggregation is the association between the two objects, and those objects will be corresponds like your whole relationship, or else here it may be the part of a relationship that we can call like your aggregation, or else here we can also call this one like your the aggregation will be having the relationship between the whole object. It will be having the relationship between the whole object, and this whole object is having the several other objects. Okay, so entire object will be having the several other objects, means your that we can call like one of the part for the our whole object, right? So and also here whatever you have the part object, the part object is one of the objects for the whole object, right? It will be having whole object will be having the several other objects, means definitely it will be divided into the parts. So those part objects will be in the form of our whole object only. Okay, so this can be done in the form of like this. You can see the diagram. The part object will be in the form of our whole object. These aggregations are the two types. One is the simple aggregation and the second one is the composite aggregation. So if you are performing the simple aggregation, it can be uses the our part objects. The simple aggregation uses, it can be uses part objects. So these parts will be in the form of our whole objects only, right? So the part objects, but here whatever you have the part objects, those will not create and also not destroy performance. Create or else destroy. So that we can call like your our simple aggregation. So by using the simple aggregation, you can perform only part objects. Whatever you created the part objects, that is only used. Okay. So by that here we cannot create anything or else we cannot destroy anything. Just you can see the one example for this, how it will be looks like. Okay. So you can see. Just I'm taking the one example for this. This example will be like your school. I'm choosing the school. And next here, in the school, we have the student. Okay, in the school, what we have? In the school, we have the student. So here, suppose you can see, in this relationship, student and the school. Here, what we have your relationship between the our objects. Like your school is the one object and student is the another object. Right? These two will be having the one relationship. This school object cannot create or else destroy the students, right? These people can do, they can create or destroy? No. So they can't perform any creation or else they cannot destroy anything. Same like that only here the student is also not like that. Means here whatever your if the school object is destroyed, suppose here you can see the school is closed. Closed means you're totally closed. Suppose here the school is destroyed, student object will not affect. Student will not get any destroyed. Why? Because here the student can join in the another school, right? So means here the student will go always the student position if the school is also destroyed, right? So like that here we cannot create and we cannot destroy anything. So the student is again joining in another school, means here definitely the school will be there. The same school is not there, but the same school will be there, right? And here the student object is also creating with the another simple aggregate, that is like your whatever the student is not only for the reading purpose, they can play the games or anything, right? So here I'm writing the sports. So they can join in the form of sports class also, right? Student is having the one aggregate class. Student will be having the one aggregate class like your sports class. You can perform the our sports class. So this is not in all the times. So they cannot create and they cannot destroy in this. And next here we have the second one, that is like your composite aggregation. So in the simple aggregation, we are creating the part objects and those are not creating and destroying, right? But here that this is the opposite for that. By using the composite for this, we can also create the part objects only. In this also we are creating the part objects. These part objects can be create and destroy also. And also we can perform create or else destroy. We can create this one and also we can destroy. This is the opposite for the our simple aggregation. Let's see here we have the one example. See here. First here I am choosing the tree. In the tree here I am taking the stem and the leaves and next the branches. The tree will be having the leaves, branches and a stem, right? So the first it will be having those stem. After that here it will be having the some leaves. It will be starts with the some branches and the leaves will be having. You can see if you are removing the leaves, yes, the tree will be having. The tree will be. If you are leaving, if you are removing the leaves means you are destroying. You are destroying the leaves in that, right? If need you can create. How we can create? By using the some stems. By using the some stems again we can create the another tree, right? So means here in the simple aggregation whatever you have, those will not create directly and those will not destroy directly. But in the composite aggregation we can do all the purposes. So for example like this here we can do the our process. So this is the our aggregation topic. Thank you for the watching. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel.